Most traders treat consistency like a personality trait. The discipline you either have or you don't. So when the account slips, they watch longer and slide further back. The real problem was never discipline. It's that your trading day never ends. For 8 months, I traded past midnight around my banking job, sure that more screen time meant more control. But it cost me 11% of my account and a 20% win rate. So here is the 4-move routine I ran in 30 minutes a day and the finish line that proves you are done. A job ends when you clock out. A workout ends on the last rep. But trading is the one thing where nobody ever tells you you are finished. So night after night, I would place a trade and then just stay. Nudge the stop loss, take a trading candle I knew broke my own rules just to win it back. Nothing in my day ever said, that's it, you are done. So I never was. I kept telling myself I needed more discipline. I didn't. My day had no finish line. Consistency is a finish line that you build. Anyone can build one, and I call it the done line. 4 moves: scan, qualify, set, close. When all 4 are done and the platform is shut, your trading day is over. The proof you are done is a closed laptop you can point at. And you have to draw that line yourself because nobody is going to draw it for you. Your broker wants your eyes on it. Every extra hour you stare is spread and fees flowing into somebody else's pocket. So the industry has no reason to ever tell you you've done enough. That's why you install the finish line yourself. So here's the whole routine. The same 4 moves in the same order every single day. The first 2 decide whether you trade at all. In the 1920s, a psychologist named 𝑀𝒊𝒎𝒆𝒔𝒕𝒂𝒊𝒎𝒄 noticed something strange about waiters. They could hold a complicated order in their head perfectly. Every dish, every change, right up until the bill was paid. The second it was settled, the whole thing vanished from memory. She tested it, and the pattern held. The brain clamps onto a task that's unfinished and lets go the instant it's done. That's exactly what an open trading day does to you. With no finish line, every trade stays unfinished in your head. So you check it, you tweak it, and it follows you into dinner. You can't willpower your way out of that loop. The only thing that ends it is finishing the task so that your brain is finally allowed to let go. That's why I don't sit and watch my trades anymore. I place them and I walk away. Move 1, scan. Open the daily chart of every market on a fixed watch list. And I mean fixed. The same handful you've actually tested, not whatever is trending this week. Daily chart, once a day, top to bottom. Say Microsoft shows up on the list. You look, that's the entire first move. Move 2, qualify. This is the filter doing the real work. 3 checks, each a simple yes or no. First, trend. Is the bigger picture direction clearly up or down? And as your trade, go with it. Then the level. Is price sitting at a spot that actually matters? A major support or resistance the market has turned at before, or is it just floating in the middle of nowhere? And the signal. Is there a valid entry signal in the direction of the trend right there at that level? 3 gates. Fail one and the trade is dead. So you reject it and move on. One last sanity check. The signal candle should be smaller than the market's recent daily range so that you are not chasing a bar that already ran. If you just felt a flicker of recognition there that you skip checks like this the second you are short on time, it helps to know exactly where your money is leaking. I built a free 3-minute diagnostic quiz called Why Am I Still Losing Money Trading that actually pinpoints it. The link is in the description below. So get your diagnosis today. Move 3, size and set. Risk a small fixed amount. Call it 1% of your account as a dollar figure that you decide before you ever look at the chart. Say that Microsoft setup cleared all 3 checks. Your stop goes just beyond the point where the trade is simply wrong, maybe $10 away, and your target sits twice that, $20 up. And here's the number that breaks the whole consistency myth. At 2 to 1, you only have to be right 40% of the time to make money. You can lose more than half of your trades and still come out ahead. Then you place it as a pending order with entry, stop loss, and target all attached so that it triggers without you sitting there. Move 4, close. You shut the platform. Move 4 sounds like nothing. It's the whole point. And it's the move almost nobody teaches. 𝒊𝒔𝒂𝒎𝒑 ran around $600 million and he did it on a schedule that sounds impossible. His trading day was finished before it began. Every decision, what to buy, where to get out, how much to risk, was made before the market ever opened. So by the time prices started moving, there was nothing left for him to do. The orders just ran. He had crossed his finish line before most traders had even sat down at their screen. Almost nobody builds that line for themselves. So here's the rule I don't break. After every trade closes, win or lose, I'm off the charts for a full day. So move 4, close, is where the done line actually gets drawn. The orders are placed, stops and targets are attached. And now you shut it down. The trades execute or expire without you in the room. A few guardrails keep it clean. Cap how many trades you hold open at once. Keep it to single digits, never more than one currency position at a time, and take that full day off after anything closes. That's it. That's the day. And what you are chasing here has a name: profitable boredom. A quiet finish day where nothing happened and nothing needed to. That stillness used to feel like failure to me. Now I know it's the sound of the system working. That's who you get to become. The trader who finishes the trading day instead of haunting it. So tonight, before you place a single trade, just build the list. Pick 5 markets, no more, and run those 3 checks. Trend, level, signal on the first one. 4 moves, 30 minutes a day. Then you close the laptop and you are done for the day. And that's allowed now. But the whole routine leans on a single move, the level check in move 2. Get a level that matters, wrong, and every trade you set is built on sand. It's one of the questions I get asked a lot. So I broke down how to find the levels that actually count. So watch this video next before your first scan. See you in that video.